Ka syarak jong ka 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 kalawan poy hanong ba juway hak arpaw terik kelalingkan da ka jingat lenti ka balai spa kilometer ka basdang natura Shillong pat IT ka syaka district West Giant Hills kanong pediang ya ka lumpung ba ka jela palabo ya ka hayung wali ka lungkerwang ka jinglet shaw ya ka syarak ka sedang da ka jingat pat ba na Hyperfuse Cafe chat tingin balayat ling ba ka yaw musyang Mission Compound hadu lum kerwang ha kabala senran lang da kasamla Hemon ki kayi kanong mare par ujason kerchwami pasa lashay kasngi ka arpuwe terik ukalalingkot ha kapor arbaje nok paisngi ya ka syarak anra sya ka jaka ple patba ya ka lumpung hawa ejer ban pen iya ka jing sedang jong ka Meghalaya Games kabala ap khmi lenti bha ha kane kasngi ladon lang UMLA ka juwai bat chairman ka muda ma Wailat Miki Shila Working President ba John F. Karshi, Vice President ka MSOA ba Chairperson jong ka Reception Committee, jong ka State Level Secretary jong ka Sorkar Jila, ka kong Matsio Dorwar Nongbri, General Secretary ka MSOA ba F. Pariat, wahesh nong lum kerwiang ma lamat o lalu.
We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. Future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are.
Privileged to receive this torch here today. And this torch is a mark that today the 6th Meghalaya Games, which is held here in Joai, is officially started. And this torch is a symbol of unity, as it has come all the way from Tura, covering Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Giant Hills. I think this is a symbol of cooperation, of peace and friendship of the citizen of the whole state. So with this, I urge at the same time, Kuala Lumpur tham tâm yang nong chong chong yong besor juai goya goya kemo ni mandi gojo lada i dang itre chong yami u yang dang u yai in value you even see ne ba ko ta di participant do wan na temen yong ka se yo i tham tam di prolog ku negaro bon menang pandang first time wan ni upai di kamang ko ni ko sa kamang ketika Yom Kippur tengah yom dia mani kita yom welcoming mani kita yom dia kurang yang ini bawa cini batang tamle jarak ini hanya mau dibentak batang tu dari ilmu sini haki jika cinta yang